Uh, hello. So today we're going to be doing a new coding pattern called subsets. Um, Realistically speaking, I did not want to do the two heaps because for one, I'm really just guess practicing in a sense. Not really trying to do anything difficult to like make my brain explode. Um, I mainly just want to stay somewhat fresh and being able to interview, but at the same time, I don't want to completely ruin my brain cells. So with that being said, I'm not going to be doing two heap until later on when I do feel a bit more comfortable, or maybe I just have an epiphany like I did for uh the path sum max path sum binary tree question. So yeah, we'll be doing subsets moving forward from here, or obviously until I finish the subsets like group, I guess, and then we'll see how we are then. Yeah. So let's get into the question. Given an integer array nums of unique elements, return all possible subsets to the power set. The solution set must not contain duplicate subsets. Return the solution in any order. Yeah, I guess looking at the example here, example 1, we have an array of 1, 2, and 3. Our solution includes the empty set, a set with 1, a set with 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Since it's all possible subsets, but they are all unique elements, we don't really need to think about any duplicate elements like coming through. So what we can do here is just go, I guess, basically implement our solution. Res is an empty list, and that's our result, right? And res.append, we want to append an empty set or an empty list because it's that's part of the power set. And so here we want to do for num in nums, because for every number that we have, we want to do something with it, right? We want to assign a variable named length, which is the length of our result arrays so far, because we want to know, um, because I guess I'll explain it when I'm doing this next part. For I in range of length, we want to uh, new subset is equal to a list of results index I, because we want to make a copy of it, right? So if we call this on, let's just say we've gotten this so far, um, we'll make a copy of the empty list, or we'll make a copy of a list with the value 1 in it, and then we want to new subset.append num, because that's the number we're currently looking at. So if we have this so far, then we're looking at the number 2, right? So we'll make a copy of the empty one, we'll add the 2 into it, and that's how we get that. And then we'll get a copy of this one with a 1 in it, and we'll add the 2 to it, and we'll get this, right? So we'll just do res.append new subset. And so, if we go to the very last part with the 3, we would have this so far, right? Like I just explained, we've built out all of this after 2. So at 3, we'll make a copy of this empty one. We'll add 3 into it to get that. We'll make a copy of this and add a 3 to it, so 1, 3. We'll make a copy of this and add a 3 to it, so we get 2, 3, 1, 2. We'll make a copy of that, and we'll get 1, 2, 3. And that logic just holds for this one as well. So that's all we really have to do. We'll go return res, because that's our solution or like result. And if we submit it, we get a working solution. And yeah, this one's relatively simple. Like I said, not trying to completely ruin my brain cells. So yeah, I am here. I've done this so far. Thank you for watching.